Okay, now I have the intake manifold off, and way back there on the last port, there's obviously was leaking there. When I took the gasket out and all that, it was disintegrated on that back port, which is actually, I heard, a typical thing on these trucks. And you can tell on the intake manifold here, you can see on that back one how the edge of it is pretty clean. It actually steam cleaned all the grease off right here when it leaked out. Compared to the other side, there's still remnants of grease or sealant or something on there. But anyways, I got it all apart. Oh, and here's the gasket. You could tell it was all decomposed right there. It came off in two pieces. The other side, I was able to peel it off. It stayed all together. So that's a pretty obvious thing right there. That's where it was leaking out of, that part of the gasket. Coming out right there in the back of the engine. So now I'm going to give this a little scrub-a-dub-dub and clean it all up. I already bought my new gasket set. I have to order in my couple of heater hoses here. Then I can put it back together. I'll try to get it back together today. If not, I'll do most of it today and finish it up in the morning. But anyways, not a fun job. Not a fun job. And it's going to be a little challenging to put this manifold back on, I could tell, with all this wire loom and all this stuff, because it doesn't stretch up very high. I might have to really tie it way up there, or have someone help me and hold the wires up while I put that on, because I don't want to bang around and misalign the gasket. And I have to put a bead of silicone on the front and rear of the engine, because the gasket set does not come with that. They use silicone. Okay, well anyways, here we go again.